learn how we can sign in the chess.com application onto your phone. So to do that, you need to download the application onto your device. First of all, go to your Play Store and search for chess.com and tap on install. After the installation is complete, just tap on the app and open it. And here on the very first page, you can see the sign up option. Just tap on sign up, and there you get option of signing up with your email, Google, or Facebook. We're gonna go with the manual process of entering our email and creating an account. So let's get started. After entering your email, just tap on continue and create a password. After creating a password, just tap on continue and create a username for yourself. After creating a username, what you can do is just tap on create an account. So after a few seconds, you need to verify your account. And here you need to verify that you are human. To do that, you need to wait for some seconds and you need to give a small kind of test. After the verification is complete, just tap on create account and tap on continue. You may just choose your skill level. I'm new to chess, so I'm gonna choose new and tap on standard or NEF and tap on later. After that, accept the policies, and there you go. You have successfully signed in to your chess.com account very easily by following these steps. Therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.